Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to troubleshoot to turn on your HP Chromebook. In case your Chromebook doesn't turn on, we're going to see a couple of the options to fix these issues. So first of all, you need to get your charger, and then be sure it can charge your Chromebook. Okay, give you a test real quick. So see, when I try to press power and it doesn't turn on. Check. So I plug in the charger, and at first it shows orange, and now it shows white. That means the Chromebook is fully charged. Okay, so that means the battery is good. At first I thought the connection right here is loose, because you can move or jiggle around. So let's go ahead and try to do the hard reset. It's acting up kind of weird. So you want to go ahead and press return and power at the same time. Let's give it a hard reset. And then you're going to hold it down for 10 seconds. Then let go, and then we're going to power back on again. Alright, there you go. And then all you need to do is just sign in, okay? And imagine if this thing still doesn't work, you might want to open the screws on the bottom right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then there are 2 more on this rubber cover right here. It's 1, 2 that you need to pry out, and then 1 in the midsection right here, okay? And you're gonna pop this bottom cover and try to unplug your battery, and then connect it back. Unless your battery is not holding the charge or got damaged. So, and that's how you troubleshoot your HP that's not powering up. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.